Right. Quick opening here. Unbox it. Timex X Pacman. Kind of a cool watch. I probably will never wear that one, but it's cool. But this thing was this, which I'm quite excited for. Cool green Seiko chronograph. On a green strap. Won these in an auction on Facebook. Alright, I got interrupted and had to go do my taxes. This is a Seiko. I'm not sure what the numbers are. The movement here says 7T620LDO. It's a chronograph. Looks pretty cool with the gold over the green. Let's see if I can figure out how the heck to use it. Let's see if the strap fits. Fits good. Pretty comfortable. Now I gotta figure out how to operate this thing.